Peekaboo. We do not do that in this household. We don't. Hey guys, it's Cam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're into all things beauty, then it would mean the world to me if you would join the Cam fam, my little beauty community here on YouTube, by hitting that subscribe button down below. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. So somehow it's the end of August already, almost September. Crazy, I know. And so for today's video, I'm gonna be unboxing the LookFantastic August Beauty Box, which they kindly sent over for me to unbox for you guys. So if you wanna see what's in this month's box, then keep watching. Alrighty, let's open this beauty up and see what we've got in here. Alright, so the first product is the Floriga Age Purify Intensive Serum. So this is gonna be a really good resurfacing serum that's great for if you have acne or any wrinkles or anything, because this is just gonna gently get rid of all those dead skin cells on your face. So it's got niacinamide, sweet almond oil, citric acid, and glycolic acid. So I'm really excited about this because I actually just got a facial earlier this week, and my facialist could not stop talking about how good glycolic acid is for your skin. It can be a little peeling. I'm actually experiencing some peeling right now, but I had a peel done. So you definitely need to use sunscreen after you use this because it may make your skin a little bit sensitized, but this is really just gonna make your skin glow, get rid of all those impurities on top of your skin. So this really does sound like a powerhouse serum. All right, next up, we have some Skimono eye sheet masks. And so it looks like these are two of those under eye patch things, which I actually have never used. So I'm really excited to try this. This is supposed to reduce dark circles and puffiness, soften any fine lines. I'm definitely starting to get some under my eyes, and basically deeply hydrate your under eye, which, as you know, that's the thinnest, most sensitive skin on your face. So you really got to make sure to hydrate it. And I think these would be really great to use in the morning before doing your makeup, so that way your under eye concealer can just glide on perfectly and smoothly and not crease. And I'm so excited about this. So next we have the Ahava Smoothing Body Lotion with Kale and Turmeric. I actually haven't been using body lotion lately, so thanks for the reminder. So this is a hydrating body lotion with kale and turmeric, which are superfoods with a ton of antioxidants. Obviously, we want to load our skin up with antioxidants. Now, they're usually found in a lot of facial products, but you definitely also want to be using antioxidants on your body. So this is a really good body lotion. Next, we have the Ciate Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. This is in the shade Matchmaker, and it's supposed to be a marbled blush with blusher and highlighter all together. So I'm pretty excited about this. It's supposed to give you a no makeup look, which funnily enough, I literally just did a video on a no makeup look where I didn't use foundation, and I would have loved to have this blush for it. If you guys want to check that video out, I'm gonna link it up here for you. I highly recommend it as just a great, easy, everyday makeup look. But I actually want to try this. So it is marbled on the inside, as you can see, and I'm gonna put some on right now, actually. I didn't put any blush or highlight on today, so we'll see what kind of glow this gives. Okay, that's really pretty. Definitely gives a no makeup glow. Oh, I love this. Oh my gosh. It just makes your cheeks glow and everything, but you don't need to use highlighter or anything. Wow. Okay, I'm piling this on. I'm putting more on than usual because I just really like this. Wow. Okay. So that's awesome. I love that blush. Woo! We are glowing. Hello. Ooh, oh my gosh. Next up, we have this Bubble Tea Rhubarb and Custard Bath Fizzer. Oh my gosh. You guys, I just posted it on my Instagram story. So if you don't follow me, go follow me on Instagram because I post all kinds of crazy stories on there. But recently my husband surprised me with this like really sweet bath. He got me like a bath tray that I've been wanting and a bath pillow, and it was just amazing. I'm gonna like put a photo of it if I can up here to show you guys what it looked like. It was like from a movie. So I'm so excited because like now I want to take more baths, and I love this. This is so cute. Oh, I wonder if it's like actually pink and gold like it looks. It looks like it's just one really big bath bomb. So I love just putting those in the bath and just watching them dissolve and fizz everywhere. Oh, so much fun. Okay, so I've never seen anything like this before. This next product is the Glov Mask Remover. So I've seen makeup remover cloths like this, but never a mask remover. And so again, when I had my facial earlier this week, my facialist did use basically a towel to remove all the like masks she put on. So this actually might be really good because normally when I put masks on, I use cotton pads to get it off, and I feel like they don't really wipe the mask off very well. So this might actually work better than like cotton pads and stuff. So I'm definitely interested to see how this works compared to cotton pads. So this is a polyester fiber cloth, and it says it's not rough on the skin and it won't cause any unnecessary irritation, which I feel like the worst part about masks is taking them off and having to rub them off and then your skin gets all irritated. So we'll see how this works. That's really cool. Obviously it looks like LookFantastic wants us to have a spa day. Like, I'm getting so many hints from this. If you do get the box, I recommend treating yourself to an at-home spa day with all of these because they're like perfect for that. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button down below because it really helps my small channel grow. And if you want to treat yourself to this box, then I do have a discount for you guys. So I'm going to put a link in the description box below where you can get your first box for just $1 with a 12-month subscription. So if you're interested, definitely check that out. All right, so that's it, my loves. And if you're just sitting there trying to figure out what you should watch next, then here's 2 more videos by me that you can check out. And make sure to click on my face right here to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, my loves, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.